Hello friends, welcome to today's session on Arithmetic Progressions. In this session I am going to explain second question for you from exercise 5.3, page number 112, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. So let's read the question first. Find the sums given below. So he has given arithmetic progression series. We have to find out the sum of the series. So the first problem, he has given the 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 and so on till 84. We know the first term and the last term, and we have to find out the sum of the total number of terms in this series. So usually there are two formulae for calculating the sum of the first n terms in an arithmetic progression. That is, first formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the one formula. Or you can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. This is another formula. So we can use either of these formulas for calculating the sum of the first n terms. Here I am going to use Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Here l is the last term in the arithmetic progression. Because we know the last term in the arithmetic progression series here, I am going to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. But in either of the cases, we need the value of n first to calculate the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic progression. So for calculating n, I assume the last number in the series to be an. Because we do not know how many terms are there, let's assume an to be 84. And we know the formula of an, right? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So I will use this formula for calculating the n value. So a is here in the series, a value is 7, d value is a2 minus a1, that is equal to 10 and half minus 7, that is equal to 21 by 2 minus 7, that is equal to 21 minus 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2. So the common difference d is equal to 7 by 2. And a value is 7. So I will substitute these values in this equation. 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7, that is equal to 77. So n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 11s are. That is equal to 22. So n is equal to 22 plus 1, that is equal to 23. So there are 23 terms in this arithmetic progression. Now we will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l to calculate the total sum of the first 23 terms in this series. So S23 becomes S23 is equal to 23 by 2 into the first term in the series is 7. 7 plus the last term in the series is 84. That is equal to 23 by 2 into 91. That is equal to 91 into 23 becomes 3 1s are 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 2 29, 9 2s are 18 plus 2 20, 2093 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 1s are 2, 0 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. 1046.5 or 1046 1 by 2. So this is the solution for the problem. So what is the sum of the first 23 terms in this series? 1046.5. Now let's move to the second question. Again here we will use the same formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, because we know the first term and the last term in the series. I am going to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. L is the last term in this series, a is the first term in the series, n is the number of terms in the series. Now we need the value of n to calculate the sum of the terms in this series. So for calculating n, we will assume an to be the last term, that is 10. And an formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we need the values of a and d. A is equal to 34. D is equal to 32 minus 34, that is equal to minus 2. So a plus 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to an is 10. So n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 34, that is equal to minus 24. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 24 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13. So there are 13 terms in this series. Now let's substitute the values in this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So S13 becomes, S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into a is 34 plus l is 10. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 44. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 22 into 13. That is equal to 13 twos are 26. 13 twos are 26 to 286. So the answer is 286. So the sum of the first 13 terms of this arithmetic progression is 286. Hope this is clear for you. Let's move to the last part of this question. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 and so on till minus 230. Again I will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l for calculating the sum of the first n terms in this series. So we do not know number of terms in this series, right? So we will assume an to be minus 230. That is the last term in the series. And an formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is equal to minus 5 and d is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 5. That is equal to minus 3. So I got the d value as minus 3. Now let's substitute these values in this equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 230. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 230 plus 5, that is equal to minus 225. And n minus 1 is equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3, that is equal to 3 sevens are 21, 15 3 5s are 15, 75. N is equal to 75 plus 1, that is equal to 76. So there are 76 terms in this arithmetic progression. Now let's calculate the sum of the first 76 terms in this arithmetic progression. S76 becomes 76 by 2 into a plus l. A is minus 5 plus l is minus 230. That is equal to 76 becomes 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 2 8s are 16. 38 into minus 235. That is equal to 235 into 38. 8 5s are 40. 8 3s are 24. 5 3s are 15. 5 4 9. 213, 39 plus 4 is 43. 8 2s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9. 25 plus 4 is 29. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is minus 8930. Hope this is clear for you. So the sum of the first 16 terms in this first 76 terms in this arithmetic progression is minus 8930. That is all for this session. Please refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and do leave your feedback in the comment section below. And please subscribe and share the videos. Until then, see you.